What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, we have the F30 330i here behind me and we're gonna be having a little fun with it today. We're gonna be going on a little drive. Well, actually not me. My boy Sticks over here is gonna be test driving the car. And if you guys don't know already, Sticks has a Stage 2 440i.
Yes, sir.
Which is a pretty fast car, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, that thing's fast. And it's also loud too, as we know. So I want him to take the 330i, which as you guys may or may not know, has the B46/B48 engine, and tell us, what does he think of it? Is it really that slow? I know a lot of people kind of hate on the 4-cylinder BMWs, but are they really that bad? Just as a quick reminder, if you guys are new to the channel or if you guys just don't really know this car too well, this car has a few mods on it. So it's not just a stock car. It has a BMS intake right over there, which should theoretically help out with power a little bit, but mainly makes it sound cool. And then other than that, what you guys can't see right now, unless I remove this, is it has a keys charge pipe, which also doesn't really help out with power. This is more of like a preventative mod. And then lastly, guys, the biggest and most important thing, it is tuned with BM3 on a Stage 1 tune. So although it doesn't push out too much more power out of a stock car, it still pushes out more power and it's definitely faster than a stock car. So with that said, guys, Sticks and I, we're gonna hop inside the car. We got some cameras set up in there. He's gonna be doing all the driving, so I get to sit back and
whipping the 3 Series like this, yeah?
I also told him, I was like, yo, be honest and tell me your genuine reaction. Like, I obviously warned him. I was like, listen, I'll warn you again, like on camera. It's not that fast.
You're making it sound so slow, though.
It's not, listen, I love all my 4-cylinder guys out there. I love it, but it's not that fast. All right, so before we actually get started, fire it up. You'll hear how quiet it is.
It sounds like an electric.
Ah, come on.
Boogie. Nah. He's
flaming us. All right, so this car, for those of you who are watching, and for Sticks, because I actually asked him off camera, he said he's not used to it. Look at him. Safety first, my guy. This car is on a multi-map, so basically you can switch between like a stock tune and a Stage 1 tune. So before we get started, so for this car, most of the time, I have it on like the stock tune. So the car feels like stock. Literally, like when I'm driving, it gets still good gas mileage, all that. And like, especially when my wife is driving it, like it's comfortable, the throttle isn't too crazy. Yeah. But what you can do, if you go to press and hold that button right there, you're gonna see the tack jump up to 4. Now take this, you can let go of it and bring it down to 3. Hopefully you guys can see on this camera, and that's it. So 4 is a stock tune, 3 is Stage 1, 93 octane, and then 2 is like 91 octane. 1 is like Arizona, basically California garbage gas octane.
What?
So
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yeah, bro. BM3 multi-map tunes. So now that we're in that, we're gonna pop this into Sport Plus.
So I don't have that?
I don't know. Do you?
I don't know.
Bro, I don't know. It's your car. All right, we're in Sport Plus. Obviously, like whenever you put into drive, just, you know, transmission, you need it. And if you want to rock the paddles, bro, I think like if you really want to drive this car nice, because like if you're in, you know, like up to 3,000 RPM, it feels a little
slow.
Yeah, but if you're in like 45,
bro, you're making this car sound bad. Let's go.
Nah. All right, let's go. Man. Let's stop wasting time.
Let's get this party started. Mine would have started farting by now.
This thing has some burbles, but it's not crazy. How's it feel so far?
I heard the you got.
Yeah, bro, the intake sounds nice, right?
Yo, you barely hear it in my car unless you're like outside.
Yeah, no, this intake sounds really. Also has like a really nice like flutter to it.
I'll tell you what though, off the bat, it's super comfortable. Yo,
that's not what I want to hear. We want to hear that it's fast. That it's sporty. Give it a little bit of. We'll see. Is it warm? Yeah, it's warm.
It's warm.
Yeah, give it a little bit of beans.
You know what it is?
Be honest.
It's just like the build up is kind of slow. Like
that's what I said.
It's like
you gotta use like.
It's like.
See, that's what I'm saying though. You got like when you drive this car, in my opinion, like the paddles are the best. Like you gotta drive it in manual.
I can drive it in manual.
How do you feel like it compares to your 440?
Oh, no, it's different completely, bro.
All right, do you feel like it's slower? Obviously, less power. For those of you guys who don't know, like a Stage 1 B46 probably has like, I don't know, like maybe 240 to the wheel. It's nothing crazy, but like it doesn't feel bad though, right?
It's it got a little kick to it. I ain't gonna lie. When you go from second though, when you go to from second to third,
you can't stay in the lower RPMs. It's just like it's like
nice,
trying to get some torque.
Though.
Well, yeah, because you have super sport springs. Everything
Yeah,
comfortable
is
compared
so
to your car.
nice.
I like how you
I
dodging
like
the
it.
potholes. I appreciate that.
Come on, bro. I be dodging, juking them things like my life depended on it, bro. Yeah, we need some ba 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 ba. Like right now, mine would be like ba 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 ba.
Yeah, your car is definitely way
Nah,
louder.
but I don't know. This is a good daily though.
Oh, look at that. Corvette. Is it an old guy?
Corvette. Yeah, I don't know. What's up with it's always like the old guys that be having that Corvettes, bro. What's up with that? It's like they retired to buy a Corvette.
I mean, listen, man. Why is it always us young kids in the Beamers?
Yeah, we just want trouble. You
That's
know?
facts.
When you go from second to third, and you got a stage 1 too, though. So like, you know, you don't have at stage 2. So if you what?
Nah, not yet.
I mean, it's a different engine than mine, so like it sounds different, you know. And obviously, I got a res delete on my car.
Yeah, your car is a really like your car is pretty modified, like performance.
So like,
you're not big turbo or anything, but like
it's nice. I like it though. I would have this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
As like a daily.
As a daily, definitely. I'm driving this everywhere.
If
we got the burgers.
See?
I've been controlling it in mine. I mean, you just gotta drop it in.
You gotta try it.
Hey, you got the little baby burgers.
Yeah, I think if you're coming out of like, you know, like a Civic or something like that, like you'd love this car.
Yeah, you would like it, bro. Yeah. For us, cause you know you've had the 435, I had the 440.
Stage 2,
for me to come to this one, it's gonna be too slow for me. But that's because you're making such a big jump, you know.
I think it's a good car, but like if you guys are coming out of like a Beamer already, like probably don't go to like a
yeah. Unless you know, sometimes you know. Not everybody got the money, my friend. So sometimes
you gotta do what you
gotta do, you know. So
it happens, which didn't happen to me.
Yeah,
that's not what happened to me.
It didn't happen to me either. Not yet.
Not yet. Listen, with that inflation, who knows?
I don't know, man. I might be sleeping in my car.
I mean, you got a Grand Coupe, so
yeah, I have the space.
You got the space. What do you think about like all the carbon and the Alcantara and stuff?
Fire, bro. I feel
nice,
like
right?
I wanna, bro. When I be watching you like doing these kind of things, it makes me want to do it to my car too. And now seeing it in person, it looks even nicer too.
Right?
So
honestly, man, like some of this stuff, like I wish you guys can see in person because like
it's so much different, bro.
Yeah, this looks better.
Yeah, and it feels nice too. This one right here, and you barely feel this one. Like the top, you don't really even touch that, really.
Yeah.
Ooh! This is nice! Yo! It's nice though. I like, bro.
Yeah, see?
You probably think I'm lying. I like this thing, bro. What's up?
Bro, it's not like even being this is the first time I'm in the passenger seat of this car.
Ew.
Wow, like someone's like driving it like that.
Yeah, I'm mad happy. What the heck? I don't even, bro. Like, I drive my car every day, but I don't know. This one's so comfortable.
Yeah.
Like, it's so good, bro.
Honestly, man, it's also nice to like just be able to like push a car. Yeah. So like it's limits. You know what I mean? Like you're right. I think if this car was louder, bro, it'd be so much more fun.
Yeah,
which it will be.
It will be a lot of fun, but like sometimes you do get like sometimes you kind of want it like quiet but fast. Like this one feels good because it's like, you know, you're not disturbing anybody. Like you're still enjoying it. It's just not as loud. Like my car, sometimes you kind of get tired of the burbles, bro. Sometimes.
Yeah, like all right, so give me some like high level thoughts, like and be honest with us.
All right, I'm gonna be honest. It's a little slow, okay? a little bit slow, but it's nice. It's like a good slow though. It's not like my Honda slow. Like this still got a little kick to it. Like you still feel it. I mean, I think I haven't pressed it hard enough either. And like as much as I've pressed it, I feel it a little bit. You know what I mean? But yeah, I like the interior is nice. It's comfortable. That's you know, a lot of people think like sometimes, bro, comfort is more important, bro. Cause let me tell you something. My car, it's fast, but bro, when you hit anything, bro, you feel like the whole car is falling into pieces, bro. I'm like, oh my god, it goes $1,000. But this is nice, like, oh, this is nice, bro. Bro, it's a little slow, but it's nice though. I ain't gonna lie. Like mine, if I were, you know, so I need to stop comparing the cars, cause
honestly, compare it though, because like, you know, whenever people talk about these cars, they're like, oh, you should get a B58. You know, like that is a good comparison because, but then like
the price difference though too, no?
Price difference,
yeah. Oh,
bro,
it's not bad, bro, and I'm barely even pushing the car right now, guys. Like,
all right, you want to do a launch?
Launch it?
Yeah, you want to do a launch?
We outside!
It's a little slow. It's
just the pickup. You know what it is? Like the build up. It's just like it feels like it wants to go fast, but it's just I don't know. It doesn't. It's not going. You know what I mean?
That's why I keep on saying, like, whenever you drive these cars, like, you gotta like use the paddle shifters. You gotta stay in the sweet spot, like 45 to like 55, which is like the sweet spot for most cars, right? But like, stay in the sweet spot, and the car feels quick. Like, it picks up.
Yeah.
If you try to launch it, like from a dig, it's not that fast. And like, this is all-wheel drive too.
On first, it's not that, but once you go from second to third, that's when that's when you really feel it.
Yeah.
Same with my car though. Once I go from second to third, you feel like a big difference.
Listen, guys. I mean, look. I'll say this. This is my opinion. I think this car, as a daily driver, amazing.
Yeah, me too.
As a daily driver, like, you're not pushing it. Like, you're asking about the gas, bro. I get like 36 miles per gallon.
What?
36 miles per, but like, mind you, like, I don't keep it in stage 1. I have the multi-map. I switch it to stock, and then when I want to have a little more fun, like, put it stage stage 1. So like, I think as like, if you guys are just gonna drive a car to work, to school, or whatever it is, and you just want it to be a little quick, perfect. If you want to go racing, don't get this.
You get this for, well, you drive this when you're in high school. Oh, you balling.
Bro, you are balling. You drive this.
balling if you're driving this when you're in high school.
Forget. People message me like, yo, I'm 17. Like, I want to get a 435, but like, you know, I might just get a 428 because it's too expensive. Bro, like, you're already winning.
All day. Oh my God.
I had a Civic, a 1.8 liter, bro, 0 to 60 in 10 seconds.
Bro, I had a minivan, bro. In high school.
Yeah, guys. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, go check out Stick's video for the POV. And yeah, with that said, this video is pretty much over, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
See ya.